Turmeric. This bright yellow spice is a staple in Indian kitchens. For centuries, we've used it in our food and traditional medicine. It's known as the golden spice for a reason. This spice not only adds flavor but also brings a wealth of health benefits. Turmeric comes from the root of the turmeric plant, a member of the ginger family. You'll find it fresh, dried, or ground into a fine powder. Its vibrant color and earthy aroma are unmistakable. But the real magic lies in its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It's what gives turmeric its incredible healing properties. From reducing inflammation to boosting immunity, turmeric is a true gift from nature. Let's explore the amazing benefits of this golden spice and how you can easily include it in your daily life. Get ready to unlock a world of health and wellness with turmeric. Turmeric is a powerhouse of health benefits. One of its most well-known properties is its ability to fight inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems. Curcumin in turmeric helps to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for people with conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Studies have shown that curcumin can help to reduce pain and improve mobility in people with arthritis. Turmeric is also a potent immunity booster. It helps to strengthen the body's natural defenses against infections. This is especially important during flu season or when you're feeling run down. Another fantastic benefit of turmeric is its positive impact on skin health. Curcumin's antioxidant properties help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can help to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Stay tuned as we delve into simple yet effective ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. From delicious drinks to culinary delights, turmeric can easily become your new best friend for a healthier you. Adding turmeric to your daily routine is easier than you think. Let's start with a refreshing and healthy turmeric smoothie. In a blender, combine a cup of your favorite fruits like bananas, mangoes, or berries. Now, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small piece of ginger for an extra zing, and a splash of coconut milk for creaminess. Blend everything until smooth and enjoy this vibrant and healthy start to your day. For a warm and comforting drink, try golden milk. This soothing beverage is perfect before bedtime. In a saucepan, heat a cup of milk with a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it even more beneficial. If you're a tea lover, turmeric tea is a must-try. Boil water with turmeric powder, a slice of lemon for a citrusy twist, and a bit of honey. This fragrant tea is not only delicious but also great for boosting your immunity. In the next section, we'll explore the culinary versatility of turmeric and how you can use it to add flavor and color to your dishes. Stay tuned. Section 4. Turmeric in the kitchen. Adding flavor and color to your dishes. Turmeric is a star ingredient in many cuisines around the world, especially in India. Its warm, earthy flavor adds depth and complexity to a wide range of dishes. Let's explore some delicious ways to use turmeric in your cooking. Turmeric is a staple in curries, giving them their signature yellow color and unique flavor. Add a teaspoon or two of turmeric powder to your curry paste or directly to the pot while cooking. You can adjust the amount to your liking. Soups are another great way to incorporate turmeric. A pinch of turmeric powder can brighten up a simple vegetable soup or add a warm note to a creamy lentil soup. It also adds a beautiful golden hue to your soups. Don't forget about stews. Turmeric blends beautifully with the flavors of root vegetables, lentils, and beans in hearty stews. Add it along with other spices like cumin, coriander, and ginger for a flavor-packed dish. Next up, we'll uncover the beauty secrets of turmeric and how you can use it to achieve naturally glowing skin. Get ready to pamper yourself. Section 5. Turmeric for skin, a natural glow. Turmeric isn't just good for your insides, it also works wonders for your skin. This golden spice has been a beauty secret for centuries and for good reason. Let's dive into a simple DIY turmeric face mask that you can easily make at home. In a small bowl, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and a teaspoon of honey. Yogurt helps to cleanse and moisturize the skin, while honey acts as a humectant, attracting moisture. Apply this mixture evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, allowing the turmeric to work its magic. Then rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. This turmeric face mask can help to balance oily skin, reduce acne, and brighten your complexion. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help to calm down breakouts, while its antioxidant properties protect the skin from damage. But before you rush to try turmeric, there are a few things to keep in mind. Let's discuss those in the next section. Section 6. A word of caution and conclusion. While turmeric is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Turmeric can interact with certain medications such as blood thinners. It's always best to err on the side of caution and seek professional advice. Your doctor can advise you on the appropriate dosage and any potential interactions. In conclusion, turmeric is a true gift from nature, a golden spice with a wealth of health and beauty benefits. From reducing inflammation and boosting immunity to enhancing skin health and adding flavor to your dishes, turmeric is a versatile and valuable addition to your life. So, go ahead and embrace the power of turmeric. Incorporate it into your meals, enjoy a warm cup of golden milk, or pamper your skin with a turmeric face mask. Your body will thank you for it. Here's to a healthier and more vibrant you with the golden glow of turmeric.